Alright, we're back. Couldn't find my plates. Hid them for myself pretty good. So I mean, they're a bunch behind a bunch of Evo lifters instead of behind all the clutch plates. Alright. One left. Yeah. Okay, we'll go with this one. This one has all the studs on it. Appears to fit. Good thing. I see my washers fit. Probably not. Nope, they kind of fit too. Perfect. It's good to go. What happened? Now we're neutral? We were here last time. Something going on with that shifter over there. Be another problem with that. Trying don't shift. Probably should figure that out before I get too involved here. Come on. A lot of drag in that thing. It have leases though. Okay, so this is junk. Junk until I fix it. There, out of the way until I get over there, it'll be in my way. Okay, so now this is a racing clutch, so it's not stock. So I have 10 plates in here instead of 8. Things have been remachined quite a bit to allow that to happen. You must run the spacer here on top of this stud to get more room. That's pretty chewed up. So these are mandatory things you must have in here. Stock steel spacers, the nice thick ones. Not them stupid ass Barnett ones they make that are tissue paper. Eastern makes these. Am I filming? Bad as everybody else, not filming what I'm doing. What the hell's I filming down there? I don't know. Wasn't looking. Okay. Now we have a bunch of plates here. These are Kevlar Barnett. These are special thin ones. These are stock ones here. So we got to find out if these are warped or not. It takes 2 hands, so I got to do that from the upper view. Okay, so key part is to make sure you put them all back the same direction because they're warped somewhat. Just a matter how much. Don't look too bad because they're not all blue. See, that one's kind of bluish color. That one might have some issues. That one got hot. Okay, lay them all together. You look down the side of them. If they're all the same, they're good to go. That means they're not warped enough to worry about. Now if you want to know if you have a warped one, flip them over once. Make sure the trash is out. And look at it again. If it's still flat, like this one looks like it is, they're flat. If you have a gap in there, it's not flat. This one here has been getting pretty hot. Getting smoked actually. And you compress these, they're not compressible, they're nice and firm. So that means they're good. I don't know why this one's getting so hot, but it's getting up there. Okay, these are all good to go. Put them back in there like they came out. So that was one in there. There's two. Should all be nice and free in there. Three. Four. Five. Six. Seven. Eight. That's where the stock clutch ends. Nine. 10. My clutch doesn't slip at all. Nice and free that came out. And we still got the outer pressure plate here, full width, not modified. Because you can modify that and cheat some more, get a little more if you have to. Alright. So if you want some plates like that, let me know. I can tell you where to get some. I'm not letting out whose they are just yet. Alright, so now put this back together again. Now the bottoming out part is this part here, getting that part right there. That's what happens. When that happens, the clutch quits working because it can't compress steel. My hand isn't strong enough for that. Put that thing right there. Some more. Heard it pop in. Yep, everything's in there square now. Okay, I'm going to tighten this back down again. When you get the studs stopped, and same thing, you got to beat them around until they go in the holes. Done with this one in. Here's the binding right there. Alright, Put our nuts back on. Oh shit. Forgot something. What'd I forget? Who knows? Come on, quick, before I show you. What did I forget? It's important. The retaining spring. Kind of need that in there. Hold everything kind of together. Alright, screw you. Go the other direction. I don't care. Okay. All right. Who did that? I'd call it a night because I'm tired of fucking with this thing, but if I take a night off, I'm gonna be able to race tomorrow. Got one more day. I got more than a day's work here. This thing should have been running today already. That's how far behind I am. All right. X pattern. All right. Torque, not too bad. Okay. No tension now. Alright, let's see what we got to release now. It goes more even now. Still doesn't want to release though. There it goes. That oil in there is thick and gooey. It is released. It does release. Just doesn't like to. It's only half released now. Still move, but not that much. All right, clutch worked. I bought a whole set of steels just in case I needed them. I don't need them. But I was prepared. Okay. And that chain is stiff. deal with an oil leak now. Rework. Oh well. Yeah. Puking his guts out over there, see? Alright, we'll be back.